Man, bro, I'm dummy hungry right now. Fuck this shit. Let's fucking go, bot. Bot, welcome to the fucking kitchen, bot. You got fucking stove here. We're gonna fucking cook some culture. You fucking cunt. Alright, so listen. The reason I'm making this because it's 2019. We gotta be more progressive, more politically correct. So we're gonna add the motherfucking water because every motherfucker drinking water right now. You feel me? You feel me? Alright, fucking that bitch good. We don't want to have too much water because half of Africa can't even fucking drink. First culture, white as fuck. Loads of fucking food. I don't know what to add, but look at this shit. Fucking bread, bot. Everyone fucking eating bread tonight. Fucking got an English muffin, mate. Fucking throw that shit in there. Alright, next. We got the white shit in there. We got the white shit. That is fucking disgusting. Fuck you. We need to find some... I don't know. I believe some African American culture. You feel me? Actually, no, fuck that shit. We wanna go straight to the roots. Ethiopian style. I love that shit. Let's fucking go. Alright, fucking go outside, bud. Fuck, bud. All this fucking shit's frozen. Cunt. Oh, bud, look at this shit. Ethiopian garbage. Look at this fucking beaut. Fucking. I got some fucking Ethiopian that, but you fucking piece of shit. You fucking cunt. Alright, got some fucking Ethiopian roots over here. Fucking. It's fucking wonderful. Shit's fucking cooking, bud. That's gonna be fucking hot. And I'm gonna have to get rid of that somehow. Alright, good night. Next culture. We got next fucking culture. Swiss fucking chocolate. Can't go wrong with Swiss chocolate. I tell you what, bud. Throw that bitch in there. You know, fucking just throw it in there. Serve it up hot, fresh. Everything's all good. Also, we need like some Somalian plastic. I don't fucking know. We need some like French. See, I can't afford wine because poor. So the cork. You know. All right, what's next on the fucking plate? We need some of that East culture, that Chinese shit. Indochina fucking. Ni hao China. The rice China. I don't have anything like rice worthy. Huh. Oh. Alright, so it's quite fucking unfortunate to tell you that I couldn't catch that little fucker, so you know what? I'm gonna have to throw this dish away because I couldn't fucking include the Asian culture. God fucking... Alright, so we're gonna go more frying style. More frying style, I fucking need it. This will do. Pan. Oil. Fuck you. Heat. Ratatouille. Do the funny ratatouille thing. Alright, I gotta look for some motherfucking eggs while that shit's cooking up. What the fuck? Fucking Christ. I'm gonna leave that open, make sure the fucker doesn't get out. I can cook him later. Oh, it smells smells like fucking Vietnam, dude. That didn't go according to fucking plan. I'm just gonna... I don't fucking know. Alright, I call this the retard that can't fucking cook. Gotta get one of these. That cheese, that fucking greasy cheese. Oh dear. We have to improvise. Apple. There you go. That would do. Fuck. Apple. Kalbasa. The heart of any slaw, right here. Like this is some bologna. This is bologna's meat sausage. Yeah. All right. I don't know if we have any buns in reserve. Let's check the big old freeze. Yeah, we got them frozen. That's gonna take multiple hours to defrost. What the fuck are you looking at, you fucking piece of shit? Alright, no, it doesn't smell like Vietnam anymore. God, that's really fucking annoying, dude. I have nothing else planned. I really don't. Fuck you, God. Dude, it's literally fucking I'm so... You know what? I'll teach you a trick. Actually, before I go, I just want, like, a piece. Alright. Sheath thy knife and take thy prize. Yummy. God, go in. Fucking piece of shit. Bro, I'm gonna get a fucking noise complaint. It's like 9 in the fucking PMs. You want M or FUM? Alright, I'm gonna teach you how to really fucking cook. Listen, best way to cook is not to fucking cook. Alright, so I'm gonna teach you how to get food without even fucking cooking, because I can't for shit. So, now go to your Google Chrome and So you gotta go to your Google Chrome, right? And then you gotta type in CPU. CPU, Canadian Pizza Unlimited. Right there, bud. Alright, so then you're gonna have to put in your address, but I don't even fucking got it. I can't really I can't do nothing right. Like, try to fucking boil some culinary, like, exquisite ethnic group bullshit, and then I'm fucking just, and I try to fucking fry something, that didn't fucking work. And I'm trying to fucking order pizza. I'm too retarded to do that too, so. Alright, I want that motherfucking 16-inchy. Do I want a thin crust or a thick crust? Or a classic hand-tossed crust? I want that one, my dude. Choose toppings. Extra cheese. Extra! I love that beef, and I want the cheese. I want all. But banana peppers. You can suck my peen. Cash. Email. Fuck off. Time. Fuck off. Remarks by customer. What does that mean? Remarks by customer. What do I have to remark? What do I have to say? Alright, so I'm gonna name myself Niggy Smalls. So when he comes up here, he's gonna be like, "Hey, Niggy Smalls." Alright. Expected wait is 40 to 45 minutes. And that's how you cook without cooking.